Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to blur faces on your Signal app when you're sending a photo. Before we begin, this week I'll be doing the 4th giveaway where I'll be giving away another £10 Amazon gift card voucher. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel and comment on my last video. The link should appear at the top right to that video. Winner will be announced Sunday 28th March 2021. This is a great feature as it sometimes saves you the hassle of editing a photo before sending it off. So to begin with, let's open up the Signal app on your phone. Now go to a contact where you want to send a photo. Press the plus sign, select an image from your gallery. Now at the top, tap on the icon that looks like a football, then enable blur faces. This will automatically detect a face and will blur that part. You can also blur it manually by drawing on the area where you want to blur. Or if you want to blur objects and text, you can do it manually by drawing on the areas around the photo. And once you're happy with the editing, tap on the tick at the top right. Then tap on the send button to send your photo. And there you go, that is how to blur faces on your Signal app on the photos. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.